Yeah, you can give it a bite if you want.
But somewhere in this encampment is a spy.
These events are so important because they bring all of us together.
I'm the good wife, apparently.
She's
yes.
in charge.
I'm in charge.
But the reputation of the Newcastles was that they arrived late and drunk and refused to give in.
Fire! Its name is Leveller. John Lilburne was a leveller of people in the English Civil War.
Do you think he's had enough? No! Shall we shoot the spy, ladies and gentlemen?
She recorded instances of some of these being dug out of the ground that were deliberately cast in horse manure. That's a very early, nasty form of biological warfare. You're introducing germs into a wound.
Oh, that must have hurt so bad.
What wonder we are victorious! All our enemy is dead!
Call yourself an officer!
We
turned on you!
If you do not pay your soldiers, sir, you must pay the price. For God of the North! For God of the North! Give fire! My wife, my businesses. Who will think of the poor girl?
Never mind that! What's in his pockets?
Thank you so much for coming along this weekend. Have you had a good time? Wonderful. Well, you can see how much fun we had. Please give them a very warm round of applause for a fantastic display today. Thank you very much indeed.